Nature is so peaceful and calm. The cows are looking at this strange dude like, what is his problem? But they're here grazing, enjoying, quietly taking in the richness of the green grass, calmly taking care of their nutritional needs. Nature is so beautiful. We are a part of nature, and we can contribute to nature. What does nature say for you? What does nature say to you? What are you learning when you listen to the silence? What do you see when you see the beauty and the color and the design and the diversity of beautiful nature in the beautiful Waikato, New Zealand? How can you contribute to nature? And what silence can you participate in so that you hear what nature has to say to you and with you? Life is full of beauty and joy and peacefulness and calm. I hope that that is your existence, that is your life. Peace and calm and beautiful silence that has intelligence and messages built into it. Life is good. Life is beautiful. And so are you. I love you.